Hello, everyone. Welcome to this session. Today, I'm going to talk about agentic AI. In fact, I'm going to give you a demonstration of agentic AI in practice. I'm going to develop a sales agent which will respond to user queries on 4 different products: laptops, smartphones, headphones, smartwatch. Based on the button they click or the question they ask regarding these 4 products, the agent will respond to their query and generate a marketing communication message for that particular customer. Will also create a log which will tell me what all happened during the conversation. So let's start. Now, what you see on my screen is the Python code for that. I've named it sales underscore agent underscore GUI.py. It's a Python file. In this, if you look at the first part, this part is about importing relevant files. I'm going to use the GUI called tkinter, which comes along with Python, or it needs to be added to the Python code. So our output will be seen in tkinter. Then below that, you see the list of the products. You have a laptop with the description, price, and features. You have smartphone, you have headphones, you have smartwatch. Then the marketing template. Thank you for your interest in our product as a valued customer, and so on. So this marketing communication can then be automated to be sent via an SMS or through an email. That can be done at a later stage. Then I have defined the generative marketing statement. Then here, the details are about the GUI. So this is the function for creating the GUI, which is tkinter application. And it goes on here, so I can modify the look and feel of the boxes. I also have a handle user query kind of a box where the answers or responses of the LLM, responses of the agent will be recorded, and so on. Then I have a display here, display the marketing message and update history. It will show me the history of interaction. So now let's run this Python code. What you are seeing right now is the Visual Studio Code interface, and below this you have a terminal where I can run this code. Since I told you in the beginning, this is a file called sales agent GUI, sales underscore agent underscore GUI. It's a Python file. So I will run it using the Python 3 command. I have typed it here. Then when I run it, I can open the box here. So here is your AI sales agent. Welcome to the AI sales agent. Ask about the product. So you have 4 buttons: a laptop, smartphone, headphones, smartwatch. So you can click one of this. Once you click this, once I click the laptop button, as you see the sales agent response, product, laptop, description, price, features, and I also get a marketing communication message, which tells me, we noticed you asked about the laptop. Don't miss our exclusive deal on this item. Details in your inbox soon. And you also see an interaction history. User asked about laptop, user asked about smartphone, user asked about laptop. I click that. Again, if I click smartphone, I get the details about smartphone, and so on. It is taking some time, but it will give you the respective answers. You can also type your question here and get your answer. Now, how is this beneficial? In the sense, how is this beneficial in a real life scenario? In the real life scenario, what will happen is you will I guess that in a real life scenario, the GUI would usually be a web or mobile app. It won't be tkinter. It's just for demo purposes. Instead of keyword matching, which we are doing right now, we'll use a language model like GPT-4, 4.0, 4.5, or Hugging Face transformers. That's how it will understand the queries. So for example, the customer types, I'm looking for a lightweight laptop for travel. Based on that, the GUI will respond. Based on that, the sales agent will respond. And going forward, it will use user data to tailor responses. And integration will be required. You will connect to real product catalogs on the products that are available with you as a company. And communication channels will also be connected, integrated to this interface. And you could send an SMS directly from here. The SMS would have a message like, we noticed you asked about the laptop and so on, or it could be an email, it could be both. Okay. And then interaction history, just for our purposes, that won't be required. So here your AI sales agent is ready, and this is the future. Thank you for listening to me patiently.